clothesline. Paul sidestepping. Bang! Oh my God, now with the steps in. Oh, Roman Reigns with a Superman punch.
No way.
Do it here. Around the ring where they run power slam to Reigns.
Bonds like that.
Remember when Strowman did Roman Reigns defenseless. Oh, and a kick right to the ribs.
Looking low, looking for his target.
Oh, caught by Strowman. Remember when Strowman did that.
Spaghetti legs once again.
Ali rolling. RKO! He's stepping back. And hand out of the
Strowman, incredible.
And comes to the bottom row. Wait a minute. Jimmy and Jay. Oh, wait a minute. Strowman trying to get out Undertaker with a choke slam to Strowman. Remember when Strowman did that? The Usos are here. Randy Orton countered. Oh my God. Jimmy and Jay. Corbin.
Cousin Roman Reigns.
Stepping bang. Oh, power slam to Reigns.
And Reigns do the impossible.
Spear!